What's up everybody? So today we're going to go pick up another project car. This one is a 90, maybe a 91 Civic sedan, EF sedan. And I rearranged the shop here. Turned the cars 90 degrees because they were both going this way. And that gave me enough room to where we can put another car right here. But this car is a EX car, and they only made those in 90 and 91, and this one's pretty cool. It's maroon with a maroon interior. It's 99,000 mile, one owner, but it has been sitting in a parking lot in downtown Chattanooga for like 10 years now, so it's pretty rough. Tree limb fell on the trunk lid, and a lot of people have tried to break into it, busted out one of the rear windows. I think it's on the driver's side door, the little corner window. I've only seen a picture of the car. I've never actually seen it in person, so this will actually be the first time that I get to really see it. But with it being a pretty low mile, one owner car, it needs to be fixed. So we're going to try and restore this one back to factory, all OEM and everything. So if you see anything in this video of parts that I need, if you happen to have any of those, let me know in the comments. Maybe we can work out a deal. If you're not in Tennessee, maybe we can ship it. I don't know. Anyways, we'll get downtown and check this thing out. Well, here it is. Look at that thing. It's awesome. He wipes it off a little bit so you kind of see the difference. This thing's been sitting here for, what y'all think, 10 years?
Yeah.
Somewhere about 10 years. That's where the tree fell on it. Yeah, tag ran out in 11, so at least 10 years. Yeah, it's definitely gonna need a lot, but it will be worth it for sure. I mean, look at the interior on this thing. The floor mats are sun bleach and stuff, but underneath them is really nice. So if anyone knows where I can get some floor mats, let me know. Dash is perfect. Very cool. But we're gonna get it loaded up on a trailer, get it back to the shop, and get to working on this thing. Quick change of plans. We're gonna pressure wash this thing. Well, this thing actually cleaned up pretty well. Still got some shine to it. Granted, it's wet. We'll have to see what it looks like once it dries and stuff. It's got some sort of weird, like, tree sap or something all over it. Whatever that is. And, yeah, you can kind of see it. There's some thin spots in the clear coat there. This quarter panel right here really bums me out, though. I thought the tree just hit the trunk, but I guess it did get the quarter a little bit. That sucks. But yeah, I mean, the rockers are solid. not any rust in there or anything. I did pop the trunk earlier and pulled the stuff out, and the bottom of the trunk still real nice. No rust or rot under there. It's all solid. Get back on the road and get this home. I just wanted to stop here and pressure wash it and see how bad it really was. You know, it's hard to tell whenever it's got a decade or more of just like gunk and buildup under it, but all right, this time we'll see y'all at the shop for real. Threw some air in the tires. Found the trim piece for the fender there. Found the piece for the door as well, but it's all kinds of messed up right there. But yeah, I don't have any help, so got to lift it out. Got a ratchet strap. Let's see what happens. Off the trailer, ready to go in its new home. Figure before we put it in there though, take a closer look at it, show y'all this interior. Of course it needs cleaned and everything, but bolsters aren't ripped. It's still it's not like got that crispiness to it, you know how they get. It's still nice and soft. Even the dash still has like the foam feeling to it. Kind of surprising. No cracks in the dash. It's perfect. Of course, the tree damage. The backs of the seats, like this vinyl stuff, absolutely mint. Still a glass and everything from where that window got broken. Just a couple people hit me up, said they have that window, so hopefully I can get that in the mail and bought pretty soon. And then I guess this window stopped going all the way up because he's got it taped here. I'll have to get all that off there, clean it up, vacuum it out. You know, there's a lot to do just to get to like the base to see you know, what all parts I'm gonna need. I'm pretty sure these floor mats are supposed to be burgundy. They just got faded by the sun. Or maybe they're supposed to be gray. I'm not sure. But judging off this right here, I'd say it was probably burgundy. Maybe brown. But check this out. How nice is that? Floor mat's never been out of the car. That's how the carpet's supposed to look. We'll get it back to that. But yeah, we need like the headrest. Got sun faded. These headrests back here got sun faded. There's a little bit on the door card here. That might be able to come back, I'm not sure. And then the door trim, moldings and stuff. I can just try some back to black on it, and if it doesn't come out, I think you can still buy that. I think EF Parts has it, maybe. Still got all the stock stuff. I mean, this car's never been messed with. I'll show y'all under the hood. So there's tons of cleaning that needs to be done. But literally everything's there. You got the factory air box, all of it, even the front piece here. Like all the clips and wires and like everything is where it should be and how it was from the factory. We even got like zinc coating left on a lot of the bolts and stuff. Up here was starting to get some weather, but it should clean up all right. Yeah, it's the D16 A6, so it's a 1.6 non-VTEC. They never did a SI and a sedan, but if they did, it would pretty much be this with a sunroof. Yeah, I'm gonna get it pushed in here, get it stored. All right, get everything moved around, and this thing parked in its spot here. It ended up just fitting. Got a little bit of room on both sides. And walk down the in between the cars. But I guess we're actually going to end up leaving it off right here. Just like kind of an intro video, I guess, to picking this thing up and getting it back here. Next video on this thing, we'll start vacuuming out the interior and all that stuff. I got to figure out how to get all this tree sap off here. I've been doing some testing. Got a razor blade, put some tape around it so it kind of like holds it up off the paint. Kind of flex it. And it seems to work pretty good. Give you all a little preview. But anyways, we'll start working on that stuff in the next video. Probably interior first and then move on to the outside, see what we can do. So thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you want to follow along with this car, or if you're interested in the all-wheel drive EK, or the turbo single cam, or the lifted Civic. We do a new video here every Wednesday, so we'll see you next week for another one.